kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Presiden Badang Shemthi Thamai Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uba Vincent H. Pala henne kasngi habayakran bat kilat pathai kubor hadin baula Shemthi kum Presiden ula ong bakathong ka jong kum unong yalam kalong banwanra iya ka jinga tali jong baro kinong yalam jong kaseng habaya dei baka jingja jong unong yalam kaleng persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma bat katu kaneki MLA kaseng na kaleng uba pala ulaong baon salet ya kendu yaki namar umtep ya kadaw jong ka jingja jongki.
It's not a question of doesn't like. He doesn't come here today. It may be, I said, it may be. I want to be transparent in my journey. I don't want to hide the truth. I want to be transparent in my journey because I know the people of Meghalaya is not full. Even I try to hide here, I try to hide there. That's why I think it's my job. I'll go and meet him. I'll take the guidance of the general secretaries and the in charge. I'll take the guidance of Dr. Celestine Longdo and many others. I'll definitely meet him. I've just joined today. Actually, as soon as my appointment was announced, I flew all the way from Delhi to Shillong. Me and along with Dr. Bond, I wanted to meet him, but it was an assembly session, so I cannot. At the same time, me also asked my children are studying outside. I need to get my visa done, interview done, fingerprint done, so I went back to Delhi. Then after that I came back here, I tried to meet him again, assembly sessions was there. I could not meet him, but I need also to see all the preparations, people coming all over the state should come here, so we were busy. So definitely it's my job, I'll try to meet him. He used to be a dear friend of mine, a senior leader. It may not be against me, it may be against him also, it may be against anybody also. So definitely we'll see. It's too early to say, but his absence today, I think I should be transparent to everybody. Maybe then it's my job, I'll do. But I always consider him as the boss in the party and as a friend. You know, legislators in Garhwals, mainly Mukul's family and friends and all the Congress who were there. So naturally, if he is not there, others will not there. And it's an open fight. So I think that the other day Marthan Sangma came, today Deborah came. So I think there must be something. That's why I told you that I will try to see that things are.